Hello, my name is Jason and I want to welcome you to The Comprehensive Dentist. I am the founder of this website and I'm also one of the instructors. And so one of the things I would like to do for the next couple of minutes is actually talk to you about what the website is, kind of what you can expect from the website as of today, and then some of the goals and some of the plans I have for the website for the future. So The Comprehensive Dentist is a website designed for online dental education. And as a dentist, you're probably always looking for opportunities to expand your practice, increase your knowledge, and just improve your skills. And so we want to try to help you do that through some of the online courses that we're working on and will continue to work on in months to come. Now, I actually work on a regular basis in a residency clinic. I'm the assistant director for a 2-year advanced education in general dentistry practice. We train 16 residents every year, and it's a 2-year program, so we're starting 8 new residents every year. And one of the unique things about that specific residency that kind of sparked a fire in me to want to start this website was the residency setting is very unique in the clinic I work at. All of our residents are trained by board certified specialists. And the only 2 general dentists on staff there are the director and myself. And so it's a very unique environment. You're learning endo from an endodontist. You're learning pros from a prosthodontist. And similar to dental school in some regard, but a lot smaller teacher to student ratios. And I just love the environment because it's a community where the specialists and the general dentists are constantly working together and collaborating on cases to come up with the best treatments for our patients. And so it was this setting that really led me to create this website. And honestly, as a dentist, when you're trying to learn new stuff, you're trying to increase your knowledge, there's many sources out there. But I want to create a website where you can take courses from the specialists themselves. So the comprehensive dentist is not me per se. I'm not claiming to be know-it-all or have all the answers. But I strive to be a comprehensive dentist in my practice. I strive to be as thorough as possible. I strive to do as many things for my patient as possible. And even if I'm not doing specific treatments on my patient, I want to have the knowledge base and a good foundation to be able to talk to the patient and get the appropriate referral in place so the patient can be treated comprehensively. And so I want to start this site to give you an opportunity to see multiple disciplines of dentistry all under one roof. Now, right now, I've started to lay the foundations for the website. One of the things I teach at the residency clinic is I teach restorative dentistry, I teach some oral surgery, but I also just teach comprehensive examinations and how to look at your patient as more of a comprehensive treatment plan versus some of the things you may have learned in dental school. So many of the things I'm teaching right now on the website are geared towards those topics. Now let's look a little bit about kind of what you could expect if you join the website and become a member. So as of today, I have currently 2 big sections of the website. And one of those is EvidenceBased Quarterly. EvidenceBased Quarterly was really kind of a brainchild of mine because as a dentist, we're always trying to stay on the forefronts of new, current, trending things in dentistry. And it's very hard as a dentist to stay up on current literature. I have access to many journals because I'm an instructor. However, the normal dentist on the outside working the civilian practice, day to day, seeing patients on a regular basis, you really don't have time to read journals and stay up to date on various topics, especially if you want a comprehensive practice. So what I did was I created what's called EvidenceBased Quarterly. It's designed for that busy dentist who needs current, good, useful information on specific topics. And so if you check out that section of the website, we quarterly release mini lectures or mini lessons on various topics in dentistry, and it's really based off of specific articles for that quarter. So usually what I do is I scrub through various journals that quarter. I look for things that me as a general dentist, somebody who sees patients, somebody who really wants useful information for the clinic, I look for topics that's related to that. And I scrub through those. It's not really a review of the articles per se, but I present the information from the articles, and I do it in a way where we're also sometimes refreshing our learning on various topics. Maybe I go over some foundational knowledge, throw in extra information I think would be beneficial. But I really try to tie current literature into a nice mini lecture for you to give you the information I think will be most useful for you in your practice. The other section I have currently on the website is all things restorative dentistry. And I'm currently building this section of the site. Obviously with EvidenceBased Quarterly, we're coming out with new content every quarter, but all things restorative dentistry, I have the entire course outline planned. It's just a matter of getting the lectures recorded and getting them onto the site. And I'm currently working on that. It's a process because as an instructor, I'm always looking to refine my content and try to package each lecture with enough information that's going to be very useful for you as a clinician, but also, sometimes you have to cover foundational knowledge and you have to cover things that help set kind of the stage for more current topics. So I'm always revising these areas, but then I'm also sometimes adding to that even later after a lecture is already recorded. So it's an evolving, updating section of the website. But if you do restorative dentistry on a regular basis, if you're doing amalgams, composites, glass ionomers, you're using bonding agents, you're cementing crowns, this section is really going to pertain to you, and I guarantee you're going to learn something. Even if you're a seasoned dentist that's been doing dentistry for 10 plus years, much of the information I present to you, it may not be fresh in your memory, or you may have forgotten some things from dental school. I guarantee you're going to learn some things that's going to help improve your practice and just your knowledge in general of restorative dentistry. So that section is currently being modified right now. I got about 5 solid lectures or 5 solid sections in there right now. And again, I'm adding to that monthly. Now, starting a website from scratch has been very difficult because it's hard to get other people on board when there's really not much more than a skeleton. And so right now I've kind of laid a lot of the groundwork. I have the website really where I want it. I have 2 solid sections of this website, or 2 solid courses I'm very proud of, and then I'm continue to work on a weekly basis. But as far as the future goes, I really want to get more instructors involved. And I'm not really looking for just any instructor. I'm looking for someone who is board certified, or at least very evidence-based in their thinking. Because I don't want to present to you information that is subjective or completely from just my experiences. I want it to be a combination of, some subjective stuff, some experience-related stuff, but I want the majority of the things that I do on a regular basis in the clinic to be based on sound science and dental literature. And so those are the kind of instructors I'm wanting to incorporate into the site over time. People that you can listen to, that you can trust, people that will give you information that is useful, but also something that you know is solid information that's going to make you a better provider, that's going to make you more knowledgeable in those various disciplines. So that's something I'm really looking forward to doing in the future, is adding multiple mentors to the sites in various disciplines and offering specific courses in different disciplines so you can really get a more comprehensive education under one website. So the last thing I want to mention is because the website is so new, I'm really giving everyone an opportunity to become a member right now at a very, very low price. And actually, if you sign up right now, you get a 30-day free trial. And that gives you more than enough time to kind of check out the way the website is organized. You're able to check out each section individually. You can download the handouts that are in each section or the handouts that come with the lectures, and take advantage of this 30-day trial. If you decide it's not for you, you don't want to be a member, you have that option to back out at any time at zero cost to you. But however, if you do want to become a member and you want your trial to go past 30 days, it is currently $9.99 a month. And that's going to give you monthly access to all the content on the website. Now, I can see moving forward, if we have multiple instructors on the website, you know, the pricing could change a little bit, but if you get locked in right now at the $9.99 a month, you will have access to all the content on the website for that low price each month, which is a steal. I mean, it's cheaper than Netflix. And honestly, if you compare what you're paying for CE, I guarantee you, you're going to get more than your money's worth. But please, you know, check the website out. Give me some feedback if you need to. If you have further questions, let me know. But there's going to be more information on the actual parts of the website. If you become a member, you'll get that information. And again, it's a 30-day free trial. So take advantage of that, and I hope to see you on there.